Hello and welcome to this special presentation. FC Goa are all set to begin the ISL 4 with the clash against Chennai FC in Chennai. And we are just a few days away from the big match and we are building towards it. Today we present you the all the 10 local players in the Goa's lineup, and let us begin with the young and promising defender Muhammad Ali. Mohammed, welcome to this program. How has it been so far for you?
It's been very good. It's going very amazing as per the plans we are going. We are working through that, so it's going very good. Yeah.
Mohammed, I have read about you, I have heard about you, how humble your beginnings have been, how hard you have worked to reach here. Could you just describe your journey for us? Because players like you are an example for our viewers.
Journey was very difficult as of like my mom worked very hard for us, and especially my brothers, and like they worked very hard so that something one at least from 3-1 has to come up. So with that, for that now I'm standing here. I thank my mom and my brothers for this, and we have some close relative that's called Rupanti who has done something for us. She has helped us through.
Only risen up, I believe.
Yeah, only football and nothing else. In small, it was only football. Like though I got beating, though I got everything, but no problem. That
It's
football
worth it
now it's worth it. Now mom says like yeah. Now she can say something. Yeah, now she's feeling proud of it.
And how big a role did your PE teacher at school play in this journey?
PE teacher and Father Edwin Baracho, they had played a very big role, because sometimes that background was very down, so that we had to stay in school. So they used to provide food, they used to take tuitions, and he used to motivate me to do this, like how to defend, how to do everything. So he used to take something special for us.
Wow. Now coming to your position, Muhammad Ali is coming up as a really good, tough tackling central defender. Tell us about this position that now you have made your own. How did you choose to become a defender, or were you made to be a defender?
No, it's actually what happened. I've played almost all positions. My starting position was goalkeeper. That helped me better. Then I played for. Then slowly, then I got an offer. So that's how I come up with Dempo. That's how even Coach Maurice helped me a lot for this.
Right. I think last year you played for Dempo in a practice match against FC Goa at Vasco, or was it year before last?
Year before last.
Year before last. And I was watching from the stand, and I told my colleagues at the office that Muhammad Ali is a really good prospect, and FC Goa have now picked you. How hard have you worked over the last 1 year?
I was practicing with FC Goa for 3 or 4 sessions. I have practiced with FC Goa when our boss was owning that team. So like when that time Coach Zico had liked me, but some things didn't go well because I don't know, there was already players. So he said just keep working hard and you will get it there. So I kept that in my mind and I kept working hard, and now I'm here for this.
Wonderful. Now, in this setup, now you have really good players all around in the FC Goa regime of Sergio Lobera. How do you describe the way of working under the Spanish coach? And
Too much, like, because we have a very good understanding, and I like to gel with foreigners because they teach us more about like how to defend, like how to do stuff. If I'm doing something wrong, they will guide me at that point, and that is the time when I learn something, and then in the game I can show it something.
cool. And since you are a young player who has a lot of talent, has Sergio Lobera personally explained your role? What role do they expect from you in this team?
So yeah, he has just explained like we haven't met, like we haven't done a meeting like separate, like, but yeah, he just keeps telling, yeah, this is the good, this is the. We do talk about sometimes in the middle way, and sometimes we play games, so we just do it. Yeah, nothing.
How was the experience of the practice matches that FC Goa have played here in Goa, especially?
It was good experience. I guess we have improved a lot. Like what I had expected. Like I'm like it's more than that.
East Bengal were tough, isn't it?
East Bengal were tough, yeah, but not so tough. But we were better. But we just missed something.
Yes.
So that's how we did.
Nevertheless, completely satisfied and completely ready to go for the main tournament now?
Yes, we are all set for it, and we are heading for it. This time we have to get this trophy home. At any cost, we will. Inshallah, we will get this trophy.
Surely, we'll hope so. And final question, do you believe from deep within that you are in the starting 11 in the first game?
I am. I feel I am, or I don't know what it is, but yeah, we will. Whatever it is, first 11 or bench strength, it is the same. We are a team. We will work together. We'll get it this time.
Wonderful. Best of luck and do well. We have with us attacking midfielder Brandon Fernandez, one of the best players in this FC Goa lineup. Brandon, how has life been at FC Goa this season so far?
So far it has been really good. Really looking forward for the ISL 4. Can't wait, very excited also to play in front of my home crowd.
Brandon, you have always been rated as one of the most talented Goan players, but one of the players who really need to realize his potential because you have great stuff, And do you think this season is your season, going from what we have seen in the last three practice matches?
Um, yeah, hopefully, yeah. Just working hard on my strengths and trying to do what I can do best. Just want to keep playing and help my team in whatever I can.
How has Coach Sergio Lobera approached you? I mean, has he explained to you what he expects from you for this team?
He has his own philosophy, where he has his tactics and he has a plan for the team. So he gives every player uh, a role to play, and we have to do that on the pitch. And whenever we have the ball, we are free. We can do whatever we want, like in order to help the team. So that's he give us a free role to play, and he gives us freedom, to play. So that's the most important thing, and we do what we can do on the field.
So, what's your role?
My role is attacking. When I get the ball, try to penetrate more and get bit behind the lines.
Right. We've seen you playing in the central position, I think, in the first friendly here against East Bengal, and then you switch to the flank positions.
It depends. It depends on the coach. Wherever he wants me to play, it depends on the other foreigners also, because we have two foreigners who can play in the middle also. So we keep changing our roles. We keep changing the positions, and it really helps the team because the opponents also get difficult to mark us.
Absolutely. There are really talented foreign players in the team like Manuel Lanzarote, Ahmad Jahu, Edu Bedia. So, how has the gelling been, especially in the attacking midfield department?
It's been really, we have been talking to each other very often, knowing each other very well, and even in training, we always be together and try to understand more each other. And I think we've been together for like almost a month now, more than a month, I guess. I think we know each other very well, and we played few friendly matches, and I think we have good understanding with each other.
For your role, who do you face competition from in this squad?
uh, we have all the players, it's always a competition because we have players who can play different positions. So you get a chance, you have to perform, you have to give your best. So that's what I'm doing. I get a chance, I do my best and keep playing.
Especially there's a player like Edu Bedia who is playing a similar role, and then Manu is playing similar role. But I think Indian players will be more influential this season because 6 Indians can play in the starting lineup and 5 foreigners. So how are the dynamics in the team?
We have players who can play in the same role, like Edu Bedia and Lanzarote, as you mentioned. They play as a central midfielder, but it depends on the coach. How the coach wants them to play, because they are more of attacking players, but coach sometimes plays them as a number 8, like the main center midfielder. So it depends on the coach. How the coach wants. Sometimes coach puts Mandar as a left wing, left half. So it depends on the coach, everything on the plan he has. So I think whatever he puts on the field, I think is the best for the team.
Ahmed Jahu is also quite a big player for the team. It looks like his role is also very important role. How is he helping the team?
He is like his role is like a backbone of the team. He have to control the game because he plays in between the midfielders and the defenders. So I think his role is really important, and we have other players also who can play the role. So I think when he is on the pitch, I think he does his role really well, and I think he keeps continuing doing it.
Our defensive midfielder for FC Goa. Pratesh, how has it been so far? कशें चल्ला? कशे तरेन तयारी जाल्या?
एक्चुली सगळे भुरगे हॅपी आहात. आमी 2 प्रॅक्टीस मॅच जिखल्या आनी एक पिड्यार जाल्या. तशेंच सगळे बरे हॅपी आहा. कोचूय हॅपी आहा वीथ द परफॉर्मन्स एंड हार्डवर्क करता पळय ते आमी पळोवन. आनी नेक्स्ट गेम आमची फर्स्ट गेम 19 आहा. आमी ऑल आवट वयतले जिखपाक. ह्या वर्सा आमकां ट्रॉफी जाय गोंया येयल्ली.
जायच सामकें. तुजी गेम डिफेन्सीव मिडफिल्डराची आनी FC गोवाच्या स्क्वॉडान खूब बरे बरे प्लेयर आसा. सो खूब कॉम्पिटिशन आसा तुका स्टार्टींग 11 आपली प्लेस घेवपाक.
वय एक्चुली कोच प्रिफर करता फॉरेनर. सो एक्चुली तो सगळ्यांक चान्स दिता. हांवें ना की भायर बीन दवरता. सगल्यो गेमी खेळल्या आमी सगळे खेळल्या प्लेयर. सो पळोवया कोचाक कितें जाय कहो ते इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द कोच न्हू. कोचाक कहें कितें जाय पळय तें अटॅकिंग डिफेन्सीव कहें मुवमेंट ते सगळे कोचाचेर.
आनी ह्या फाटी एक एक्स्ट्रा इंडियन खेळटलो. 6 इंडियन आनी 5 फॉरेनर खेळटले स्टार्टींग. ह्या फाटी फोकस इंडियन प्लेयरांचेर चड उरतलो आनी दॅट इज अल्टिमेटली द एम ऑफ द
Something new, something good. And for me, I like all the foreigners who are there in the squad.
Very good. So in the squad there must be really good camaraderie, team spirit. सामकी पेजाद आसा.
पेजात सामकी पेजात आहा. चडशे आमचे सगळे गोवनूच आहा न्हू त्या खातीर सगळे आमी चड सामके स्ट्रॉंग वयतात. आनी हे फॉरेनरूय आमकां खूब हेल्प करतात की टीम सामकी इक्वल रावपाक. सो पळोवया ह्या वर्सा वीथ युअर सपोर्ट एंड ऑल द फॅन्स फ्रॉम गोवा. We want you all to help us to help FC Goa to win this year.
Sure, Pradesh. Farsa Goa.
My name is Jonathan Cardozo. My age is 19 and I play as a right full back.
Yes, you've heard him. That's what a youngster needs to do when he starts his career in a big team. He has introduced himself, but through his performance, a day will come when people will know who he is, as he would make his own place at FC Goa. That's it. Jonathan Cardozo. He's a youngster who was initially with the FC Goa developmental team under coach Derek Pereira. He was selected to go to Spain with the main team for pre-season camp, and he went there. He has been impressive, and now coach Sergio Lobera has included him in FC Goa first team that will be playing in the ISL 4. Jonathan, tell us about your journey as a footballer. You are now 19-year-old and you are a right back. So when was it that you decided that football would be your first game and you can make a career in it?
Yeah, I started off as a normal kid, like going to school, just playing like.
Which school?
First of all, like I was in Don Bosco's, so like playing over there, and like everyone. So like the sport was like too close to me. So then just growing up, like playing every day, learning like everything new. So then like I just felt that it's good, like the sport, like I'm like being noticed. like it's too big. Like, but then it's just that the best player. I hope like the best player gets to play in the best place. That's it. Yeah.
Who are above you in the pecking order for that right back position?
It's Sheridan and Amay. Yeah. So I hope I get their places soon. Yeah.
Yes, you should be putting them under a lot of pressure, and that builds a really good competitive unit.
Yeah. A lot. Like, but then in training, it's always like just go hard at it. Like, just try to show everyone like what you're about. That's it.
Where do you come from, Jonathan?
I come from Kandolim, so like every day like from there over here to Bambolim for training.
Are people in your neighborhood excited about FC Goa this year?
Yeah. Like every day they talk about like FC Goa and like will they bring the trophy back home this year and stuff. So yes, like I'm like, yeah, we have a really good team and hope so we do well.
Wonderful. Thanks for talking to you and best of luck for the season. Thank you. So that's all we have from the GMC Athletic Stadium here at Bambore. This is Neeraj Prabhu with senior video journalist Tursidas Chari saying goodbye. Keep watching Prudent Media. Forza Goa.